Alright, so in this video, this is what we are going to design. It's just a short it's gonna be a short video. So this is a burger sales flyer, and it's a very simple flyer to design. So I have to retain some things here. So I will first retain the logo as the Burger King logo, and this this line here, I'm talking about this line here, and this logo. I have to retain them, and I think I have to retain this are called icon, because you can import it. It's very simple to import. So I have to hide them now. I'll click on hide and hide. So these are the pictures I want to retain, and I want to show you how I use the background before removing the background. I use a gradient background, and I use a color picker to pick my background. So this is going to be a very simple design. It's going to be a very simple design. So I have to first remove this. I'll remove this. I'll keep this because I'll be using it for the color picker. I will be needing this shadow also. I'll be needing this shadow, the black shadow. I'll be needing them. So I have to remove this. Which one again? Remove this, and remove this. Hurry up. Remove this, and remove this. So then I have to remove this also. Then remove this, and no, not that, and this. Alright, now we have a blank. Okay, I need to remove this also. For delivery, I need to remove this for delivery. I will retain only remove two. I need to remove this also. So I will retain only the the Burger King logo, the line, the color logo, the shadow, and the color picker, the one I use for my color picker. So first, I will make the gradient shape. The background. I will first create the background, and it's a gradient background. So I will first import this shape here. Import shape, then take radius to 100 to get a perfect circle, and increase this a little bit, increase again, and then click on arc. Then you click on this, rotate and drag this part again. I think we are almost good to go. Then increase the size. Start increasing the size. Then you click on rotate. Let's go and click on the rotate icon here. And this part rotates. I think this is it here. So rotate a little bit. Then we position it properly. Position to the center. We position it properly to the center. Yes, I think we are good to go here. Or I'll increase the size a little bit. I have to increase the size again a little bit. Now position it properly. Now I have to rotate again. You need to be very, very careful with the background. Yes, I think it's okay like this. Yes, yes. It's okay like this. So it's okay like this. Increase the size again. Alright, it's okay. So we'll go on to lock this shape, this cycle here. After locking, we'll go on to give it a color. I'm going to use a gradient color. A gradient color, not a solid color, gradient color. So and I'm going to choose this color here. This color, this center, this cycle gradient color. I'm going to choose it for my work. I'll click on it. So I've gotten a gradient color. For this part here, this part, the darker part, you are going to use a dark red. Be using a dark red color, and you get the color from your imported burger. Okay, let's go on to import the burger first before coloring our shape. So I'll click on import. I think I'll see it in download. Burger should be in download. Yeah, this is it here. I think I used this. I think I used this. So click, then go on to import another one. You want to import the last burger there. I think this is it. So this and this, I think, and this. Yeah. Okay, these are my burgers. So for the red color, I'm going to choose my color from this burger here, both the red and the yellow color. I can choose the colors from here. So let's go on to color our shape. I'm going to use a light red and a dark red color, then gradient. I use color picker. So as I said, at this darker parts, you are going to use a dark red. Darker part, you'll be using it, and use color picker to pick color from your burger. Dark red. I think it's okay. This color is okay like this. Then at this part, you choose a light red, colored color. So you pick your color from here. I think this is a dark color here. So you pick the dark color and increase this part to 100. Increase it. So this is your gradient color. You click on OK. So this is our first gradient color. So for the second gradient color, we are going to choose a shape again. A shape, a square shape. This time around, I'm going to use a different color picker. Then you take it to the back of this cycle here. But if you don't know how to take it to the back, there is another way of taking it to the back. You come here, click on this cycle shape, then you click on to the front. You click on to the front, and this part here to the front. You click on here, and don't forget, I click on the cycle, not the square, not the rectangle. I click on the cycle shape, so you click onto the front. That means you are taking the cycle shape to the front. Then you click on this burger too, and click onto the front. Click on the second burger and click on to the front. Alright, then you click on your square to color it. So in this square, I'm going to use a gradient color again. But this time around, the gradient color is going to be different, because I'll make some changes there. I'll click on gradient, and I'll be choosing this cycle gradient again. So I'll click on this and click on this. Click on this like this. This is how I want the gradient to be. So at this light part, I'll be choosing a yellow color. A light yellow color. And then at this part, I'll be choosing a dark yellow color. So I'll choose and I use my color picker It's my color picker. This is the color I'm going to choose for the darker part. And don't forget the color hex code. This is the color hex code. You can click. This is the FD7. When you click on that pencil icon, this is FD7B00. Let me delete it and show you something. The color hex code for white color is FFF. So, okay, before I have to copy it first before I make that example. Let me copy it. Copy. So I want to edit this color hex code. This is color hex code for black is 000 for black. Okay, 0000000. That is for black. When you click on it will turn to black. Then for white is FFFFF. I think 6F there, another F, and this is for white. Then for this color I just picked, the dark yellow, you click. When you copy the color hex code on your phone, then you paste, and you can write down the color hex code with your pen or pencil. Then you come here to edit the color hex code. It's going to be FD7B00. That's when you click on good to change. That's how to edit the color hex code. Then you click on OK. Then for the light part, this part you are going to take it somewhere around here, drag it to somewhere around here. Then you go on to choose a color picker. I'm going to pick this light yellow here, and this is the color hex code FFECO1. FFECO1. So you click on OK. Then we are good to go. And click on OK. Then we are good to go now. So the next thing to do here is to resize your burgers here. Can resize the burgers, resize and position it properly. Let's resize. I think it should be all right. But I need this burger to be in the front, so I'll take it to the front again. To the front. I position this burger properly. Then I reduce the size of this burger. I'm going to choose a medium size here. Position it properly. Then I'll reduce the size of this again. Then I'm going to rotate a little bit. I'll be rotating the both burgers a little bit. I'll go on to rotate -4. Yes, -5 is okay. Then for the second one, I'll rotate to minus to +5. Yes, that's how to rotate. Then I'll increase the size a little bit now. I'll have to lock. I'm done with this burger, so I'll lock it up. I'm left with this burger. Increase the size a little bit. Now reduce. Then I will use my rule here to edit to position them. That is alignment, to give them perfect alignment. Alignment is very, very good for your design. And I'll choose this burger again to align this part here. So I'll click on this burger. Increase the size. I'll increase the size 1, 2, 3. Then I'll position it properly to have a perfect alignment. Then I position it again properly. I think it's okay this way. So I'll remove this and lock my second burger. So now the next thing to do here is to write something like this. I'll be writing delicious. Start writing delicious. Increase the size. Then I'll go to my font to get a better font for this delicious. So, and I'll be using this font. I'll be using this font, not Great Wishes. I'll be using this particular font here, not this font. Let me keep searching for this font. Okay, let me go to recent. This is the font. Dopest Style is the name of the font. Dopest Style. So I'll click on it. Click OK. I'll increase the size again. Increase size it. Then I'll color it. This time around, I'm going to give it I'm going to pick the color of this delicious from the burger. So I'll color it now. I'll color it. Color picker. This is my color picker. I'm going to search for this particular burger. Then I'll choose this yellow color here. I'll click on OK. Now click on. I can decide to increase the darkness, but I will not increase. I'll just leave it this way. So this is my delicious. So I'll position it to the center and then lock it up. Lock it up. So the next thing to do is to write a new text again. Text, edit. Then you write burger in capital letter. Burger in capital letter. Then click on up. Okay. So you increase the size. I'm going to increase the size here to something like this. Something like this. So I will then come to my font. I'm going to use the Rantica font recent. This is the font Rantica Republic. This is the font here, Rantica font. So I'm going to click on OK. Then I will increase the size. Increase the size again. Something like yeah, it's okay like this. Then I'll position it properly. With a center positioning. Then I'm going to take it to the down a little bit. Then I'll take my delicious to the up a little bit again. Alright, then we are good to go. I think I have to increase the size of this burger here. I think I can increase the size to something like 95 or 6 or so. Okay, position to the center. Move up a little bit. Yes, we are good to go here. So the next thing to write is click on edit text. I'll write hurry up. Try out the best burger in town. Click on OK. Not I'll have to edit because it is in capital letter. I'll click on text. It is in capital letter, not a small letter. Then I will drag this part here. I'll reduce the size. Reduce the size again. Position it properly. Reduce the size again. So I'll be using this part text size to reduce the size. It's okay like this, and I'll position it properly to the center. And I take it down a little bit. So now after this I have to let me edit this delicious. It's looking dark because according to the principles of graphic design, we use light text in a dark background. So the background is somehow dark, so our text color should be a little bit light. So I'll edit the text color. I'll drag to this part here, or let me just pick the color from this thing here, this part here. I'll pick the color here. Let's see how the color looks like. Alright, it's more even better this way. The color is looking more better this way. So after this, let me increase the size of the burger again. I'm going to increase the size of the burger again. Then give it a little push into the center. So I think we are good to go. So now the next thing to do is to unhide the shadow. Please don't forget to lock your tools here, your elements. So the next thing to do is to unhide your shadow. I'm going to unhide this shadow and edit it, but I'm taking it to the front. Taking it to the front here. Let's do the front. Okay, now this is my shadow. So I'll position it properly here. And I'll copy it and position it properly again here at this part here. Position it here. Alright, so the next thing to do after this is to import your elements. The next element to use, you have to import the next element to use. I think the next element to use here is this. Yes, this element, this one here. You import. So after importing, you drag, so you position it properly. You drag and position it properly to the center. You have to drag again. It's looking somehow. Position it properly to the center. Reduce the size. I want a perfect something here. So I can leave it this way because I'll be needing just few elements here. I'll be needing just few elements here. I think I have to leave it this way. So you then go on to lock it. Lock the shadows too. So you go to eraser. You erase everything here apart from the ones we are going to be using. I'll click on eraser. I'll erase everything. I'll erase everything apart from the ones we are going to be using. These are the only elements I'm going to be using. These are the only elements I'm going to be using, so look, I'm good. Okay, I have to erase, there's a circle there, I have to erase it too. This circle, I have to erase this circle too. Right, good. Then you go on to color it, give it a white color. Give it a white color. Okay, so after giving it a white color, the next thing to do is to unhide this object here. The object I have to unhide and take it to the front. Unhide and take it to the front. Not this, please. Right. I think I made a mistake here. I'm going to take this to the back now. Let's take this to the back. Yeah, okay, yeah. So the next thing to do is to unhide this again and take it to the front of this yellow background. That is the line. So you unhide this again and take it to this to the front of this yellow background. So after doing that, you write something like this. You write something like this. I think I'm yet to, let me edit this again. Give it a color, give it a white color, then reduce the opacity. Then go to eraser and erase. There's a circle there. Just go this circle and this circle. Just come and erase it. Okay, up. Then you are good to go. So after doing that, you write something. Then you write the number. So because this is just a tutorial, I'm going to use my number. I'm going to use my WhatsApp number +234 9076154555. Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number. So I'll click on up. B style, go to B style and add a bold to it. Then reduce the size. I'm going to take it, put it down. Reduce the size. And position it properly. Then you copy it and write something. Edit. Where's the edit icon? Edit. Then you write for delivery. Then you position it again to the down. Go use positioning tool to position it. This is a very simple sale flyer, and you take it to the up. Then you add a color. I'm going to choose the red color. The color I use for the background. I'll be choosing a red color. But I have to take these two burger. I mean this and the shadow and its shadow. This shadow, I'm going to take it to the up a little bit. I'm taking it to the up. To the up, so I can see the free delivery perfectly. I'm going to click on this again, this burger, this shadow, and this burger, and take them to the up also to have a more good alignment, more better alignment. So I think I'm good to go. So this is our trail flyer. You know, I have to delete eraser. Click on this and erase some things again. Just use the eraser and erase this part. Erase these things again because they are making the design look somehow. Just erase them. Click on OK. You know, there's still a white something. I mean this white part. Make sure you erase it properly. I mean this white part here. So make sure you erase it properly. Make sure you erase everything properly. So click on OK and see. Alright, it's removed now. So this is our design. The delicious burger. Hurry up, try out the best burger in town. For delivery, call +234 9076154555. Then the King Burger logo. A very simple design.